Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay with rides with your debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Add Payment Method. So on this page here, click on Credit or Debit Card. And this is where you can enter your debit card number details, expiration date, CVV, zip code, and more. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.